The original is now a classic. Since 2006, Aussies have trusted Clearview towing mirrors for safe and reliable towing. The new Clearview Classic towing mirrors carry on that legacy. They're much bigger than standard mirrors, with a large flat top mirror that shows true distance and a smaller curved bottom mirror that widens your view and reduces blind spots. The telescopic arms extend 103mm, so you get both a normal driving position and an extended towing position. The slim, double steel arm design keeps the mirrors steady at high speeds and on rough corrugations. No vibration, just a clear view down the side of your vehicle and caravan. They come in black with options for indicators and manual or electric glass adjustment. Installation is easy. They use the same mounts and wiring as your factory mirrors. They fold in or out if they're knocked and lock back into preset positions. And with a full range of spare parts available, you'll always stay on the road. Check them out at clearviewaccessories.com.au.